A senior officer of the Indian Air Force is in the eye of a storm on charges of alleged sexual harassment. The Indian Air Force has ordered a board of inquiry against this officer. His rank is a group captain and he's posted in Kolkata. This following allegations of sexual harassment that were filed by not one but two women. Joining me now on the broadcast is editor Shiv Arur. Shiv, what more can you tell us of this complaint of sexual harassment against the group captain?
Gaurav, the Indian Air Force and the Ministry of Defence haven't put out a formal statement just yet, but we've been able to confirm through our independent sources, both in the Air Force and the defence establishment, that this group captain ranked officer, who was actually the defence, who was working with the defence publicity cell in Kolkata and posted in Kolkata with the rank of a group captain, has been suspended, and he faces a court of inquiry right now on charges of sexual harassment that have been levelled apparently by two women. The charges apparently were levelled about a month ago, the precise date of which we cannot confirm. What we can confirm here on India Today is that the officer has been attached for these proceedings that will take place, which will include the framing of charges and the court of inquiry, which will look into these very serious allegations against him. Very embarrassing for the Indian Air Force as well as the Ministry of Defence, given that the officer has served in a capacity as a spokesperson for the Indian Air Force in the past as well.
Okay.
And these charges coming in his capacity as working for the Ministry of Defence in Kolkata at this point of time. So those charges have been leveled against him.
At a time when the Indian Air Force is talking about women playing a much bigger role, including flying combat operations, it has a zero tolerance policy towards sexual harassment. Are both these ladies officers in the Indian Air Force? Are they civilians? What more do we know of the complaint?
Even though we don't have a formal statement from the Air Force or the Ministry of Defence yet, we understand that the accusers are both civilians, Gaurav. They are not officers or personnel in the Indian Air Force. So both the women who've levelled these allegations are reported to be civilians. Their identities, of course, will be protected, as is the norm at this point of time. But we do understand that a court of inquiry will look into all of these aspects, the details of the allegations that have been levelled against this officer, who happens to be a fighter pilot. He was recently even decorated with a Vayu Sena medal. So he's also a decorated officer, Gaurav, and these charges against him extremely serious. Like you said, no tolerance policy within the Indian Air Force in the context of the recent decision on allowing women into the fighter stream as well. All of that makes this a very, very serious issue.
Shiv, keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more.